Hello, fellow coronavirus Porsche files. Y'all thought I was gonna leave you hanging, right? Well, what you're looking at here is a 968 fan. Hear that? Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? So, the back of it had come apart. So, we got that out of the radiator area. You see over there. We're able to do it by moving the compressor out of the way without entirely disassembling everything. But belts had to come off, at least the power steering belt and AC and alternator belt. Didn't help herself. We had to clean up under here a little bit. It amazes me that 28-year-old car, no one's ever sprayed the damn thing with a bottle of brake clean. Come on. So anyway, we got her on a regimen now. Keep her clean. So we found that. Transmission's ready to, or actually transmission's already gone. And the other one we got to do is way up in there. There's a little plastic housing that when we pulled a vacuum, I don't know if you can see it, when we pulled a vacuum to flush the cooling system out, because it had nasty green stuff in it, that little guy right there was leaking. So we knew it was leaking from positive pressure, but the leak was so bad, it's also vacuum. So we got the bottom bolt out. We're gingerly working on the top one. Try not to break anything off. So anyway, that is your daily coronavirus update. And this week we have been 968 focused. But once we get these couple things tidied up, this little guy get pushed in the corner, wait for the train to get back, and we'll get back on it. So hopefully, next couple coronavirus updates, we'll be back to oil-cooled cars. This water-cooled stuff is just a pain in the ass. It's just one more system. There was a reason that the good doctor started all oil-cooled. But it's just one more thing to break. Thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com and stay healthy.